Where we at? What are we doing?
We right here. We at Volt Minibikes, man. We in Compton, California.
My very first one.
Look, y'all, we got Go Power Sports out here right now.
Go Power Sports?
Yeah.
I want to appreciate y'all for everything y'all do. Y'all send everything out on time. Y'all just showing love to the community.
Hey.
Go Power Sports in the house, man. Shout out to Go Power Sports from the Road Runners and the Compton Minibike life. We love y'all. Appreciate everything y'all do for us. Like if you don't know Go Power Sports, then you're not in the mini bike scene
At all.
Like you honestly, like there's no other way around it. You get me? So like I know everybody knows about you guys. You get me? When the shop doesn't have it, right away people hit Go Power Sports. You get me?